In today's AI world, everyone creating app and website just by using AI. So today I will create an app by using AI. So I will use the WinSub for creating the apps, and I will use the Android Studio to test the app. And I already created the app by using AI, the Match.ai, and this app is live on the Play Store. So today I will create a screen recorder app. I will generate the requirement by using ChatGPT. So I given the prompt this. Give me the requirement for creating the screen recorder app for Android with high resolution including 4K and 8K. Give the prompt for the WinSub AI. And meanwhile, I downloaded the WinSub AI and the Android Studio. So ChatGPT given this requirement for our app. So I will copy this requirement. Before that, I will first create the default project in the Android Studio. So I will click on the new project, empty activity, next. Now I will give the app name, and I given the app name is screen recorder video recording, and this is the package name. I will keep as it is, and other setting I will keep as it is, and I will click on the finish. So it will create a default project for our app, and it will take a few seconds to create a default project.
A few moments later.
So Android Studio created this default project. So I will copy the path of this folder. So this is path of the folder. I will copy this folder, and I will open the WinSub AI. Here I will click on the open folder, and here I will give the folder path. I will select this folder. Now I will open the ChatGPT. I will copy the requirement from the ChatGPT. This is the requirement for our app. So I will copy this requirement from here. Now I will open the WinSub AI. I will give the requirement here. So I will change this toggle, and here I will give the requirement which I copied from the ChatGPT. Then I will click on the enter. So first it will analyze the requirement, and also it will analyze the default project for our app. So WinSub created all these tasks, so it will complete all these tasks one by one and create all the required code file one by one. We simply need to accept that code changes, then we can test our app. So WinSub created all these code files. We simply need to, if we want to review this code file, we can click on this and we can review the code changes from here. After this, we can accept all the code changes together. Or if we want to accept one by one, we can accept one by one as well. If we want to accept all the code changes at the end, and we can also do that. So I will accept all these code changes now.
One eternity later.
After a lot of back and forth with WinSub AI, I finally created the app. So let me test the app. So I open the Android Studio and I click on the run button. It will take a few seconds to build the app in the virtual device. Then we will test the app in virtual device. So app is launching on the virtual device. Let me maximize the virtual device. So this is our screen recorder app which we created just by using AI. So I will click on this record button. It will start recording. I will select the entire screen. Click on the share screen. It started the screen recorder, so I can record anything. Now I can record anything. I will close the app. If I want to record any these other apps, I can record other apps. Or if I want to stop this, I can stop from here also. Like I will click on this and stop sharing. Now the recording is stopped. I will check the recording on the recordings. So here I can see all the recordings. I will click on the play, so I can play that recording, I can edit that recording, or I can share that recording to anyone else. If you want to change the settings, we can change the settings from here. By clicking on the settings, we can change the video quality. From here we can change the video quality, frame rates, bit rates. All this we can change from here. Now if you want to disable the audio recording or the microphone recording, we can disable that from here. Now these are the other settings. Here we can do the screen recorder till 8K. So now I will try to improve the UI of this app. Then we will deploy this app to the Play Store.
A few moments later.
After a lot of back and forth with the WinSub AI, I finally updated the UI of the app. So let me build and test the app. So I will click on the run button. So it will build and install the app in virtual device. Then we will test the app in the virtual device. So app is launching on the virtual device. Let me maximize the virtual device. And this is our screen recorder app, and I did the one screen recording. And this recording are saved here. And we can see all the recording in the recording sections. We can record by clicking on this button, record button. And we can see the settings here. We can change the settings. If we want to change any video quality or the frame rate, we can change from here. All these setting changes we can do from here. And I publish this app on the Play Store. And this app is live on the Play Store by the name Screen Recorder and Video Recorder. Please go and check out the app. If you have any feedback or suggestion, let me know in the comment box.